Hello everyone, welcome to Mayur Programming Club. Today we will be solving another daily LeetCode problem, and the problem's name is average waiting time. The problem statement goes like this. There is a restaurant with a single chef. You are given an array of customers where each entry in this customers array represent two things. One is the arrival time of that customer, and the second one is the time it will take for the chef to prepare his or her order. Okay, so as it is mentioned in the problem statement also, arrival is the arrival time of the ith customer, and those arrival times are sorted in non-decreasing order, or you can say increasing order. So the time needed uh, to prepare the order is the second entry in the or the second element in the entries of the customer's array. Okay, and when a customer arrives, he gives the chef his order, and the chef starts preparing if the chef is idle. So if the chef is not doing anything, then he will give attention to that customer and he will start preparing his or her order. Okay, and the chef waits till the chef finishes preparing his order. So once chef starts preparing someone's order, so the chef will only stop or remain or be idle the next time when he finishes the current order. Okay, the chef does not prepare food for more than one customers at a time. So only one customer's uh, food is being prepared at a time by chef, and chef prepares food for customers in the order they were given the input. Okay, so in the order customers have given their order, their food will be prepared in that order by the chef. So you have to return the average waiting time of all the customers, and there is a precision, I think precision rule or something is mentioned that solutions within 10 raised to power minus 5 from the actual answers are considered accepted. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. Before thinking of an approach, let's have a quick look at the constraints. So according to the constraints, the length of the customer's array will be of 10 raised to power 5, and the arrival and the time required to finish the customer's order is of 10 raised to power 4. Okay, and the it is mentioned that the arrivals timings are sorted in ascending order. Okay, so these are the constraints. So let's quickly think of an approach. So let's open the board first. So what we can do is, from reading the problem statement carefully, we came to know that customer waits for two kind of times. Okay, two kind of waiting times. First time is time to get attention, chef's attention, or you can say that time taken by chef if he is busy to start preparing customer's order after the order has been given by customer. Okay. So this is one kind of waiting time that will be there, and the another kind of waiting time that will be there will be time to cook customer's meal. Okay, or food, time to cook customer's food. Okay, so these two kind of waiting times will be there. So it might be a scenario that a customer have arrived and given his order, but the chef has not started preparing his order right away. Instead of that, chef is busy with his previous pending order that he is currently preparing, and he will start preparing the customer's order once he have the time and as per the order of the order in which all the orders are given. Okay, so these two kind of waiting times will be there, and we have to just for each customer his waiting time will be sum of these two. So customers waiting time. Okay, so you will sum these two, and then you will come to know what is the total customers waiting time. Okay, for each customer you will be having this waiting time, and then you will be simply taking an average of these waiting times. So total waiting times, and you will divide it by number of customers. Okay, so once you are having this value, you will be returning it. It is that simple. So let's have a quick look at the implementation, how we have implemented this approach. In a way, you can say that it's mathematics only, just using programming to automate it, you can say. So this is the solution. So let's discuss what is happening here. First of all, time passed is the time that have been passed since the beginning. Okay, so and total wait time is the total wait time that we were talking about of all the customers. Okay, let's change the color here. I think it's fine. And then this is the entry in the customers array. Each entry is having two things: arrival time and time to cook. Okay, and if the time passed is 0, it means that your first customer have not arrived, and according to the constraints, so the time that at which a customer will be arriving will never be 0, it will be at least 1. So we can have a check here. If it is our first customer that is arriving, so first customer, so we will start our time passed from that arrival time, the arrival time of the first customer. Okay, and then what we will be doing is we will be calculating the wait time for each customer. For each customer there will be some wait time which will be comprising of two things. The first thing is the time to cook his or her meal. Then there will be the time uh, for which, or the you can say the duration it will take the chef to start preparing the customer's order. Okay, time taken by chef to prepare customer's order. Okay, so these two elements will be there for wait time. And then what you will do, there might be a situation that let's say the initial customer arrived at time 2 and it will take 3 units of time to prepare his meal. Okay, and the next customer arrived at time 6 and it will again take 3 units of time to prepare his meal. You can see once the order is given to the chef, so chef will start preparing at 2 and it will take 5 units of time for him to finish the order. Okay, and the next customer arrives at 6. Okay, and it will take 9 units of time total for the chef to be finished with preparing this customer's order. Now the thing here to be noted is, although The first order was finished at time 5, but there is a ideal time between these two from 5 to 6. After the chef have finished preparing order for the first customer, he will be remaining somewhat idle here. Okay, so he will not start at 5 only. So that's why we are taking maximum value in order uh, to get the correct value of the time passed. Otherwise it would have been 5 plus 3, which would have been 8, but it is wrong because the next order was given at 6 unit of time, and it was uh, chef was taking 3 units of time to prepare that order. Okay, so in order to do that, this is a little you know important thing here that you have to do. You have to take maximum of the arrival time of the current customer and the time passed. Okay, so then you will be saying that okay, we will be adding the time to cook also in order to get the current value of the time passed. Okay, and then we will add current customer's wait time to the total wait time. Okay, so once we have done all this, we will be having our total wait time, and we can easily find out the average waiting time, which is very easy, total wait time by customers, number of customers. Okay, and this is the whole approach. In all, you can say that this time complexity wise, this solution takes order of n time complexity, where n is the number of customers. Okay, and then you can say that space complexity wise, this thing is constant, since we are not using any extra space, just using couple of variables. Okay, and we are done with it. So these are the complexities. If you are still having any kind of doubts or any queries in general, then you may ask in the comment section. I hope this solution video added some value to your journey of honing your DSA skills. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing more problems, and thank you for watching.